Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I came up with a new one pastel. I think it will be maybe something. Because we'll find out in the video. Let's begin. So we have two pencils and tape and one sharpener and one paper and some eye pastels. So let's start with the paper. Now we'll stick the paper on the table with tape. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna do it. First we're gonna do Look how bright it's looking. Next we're going to do light pink as I said. Okay, now that was also light. Now look how now shaded pink color. That is dark pink. Now we're going to do orange. It's dark orange. So coloring is done. It's kind of beautiful, and now we're going to blend it. Abracadabra, Barbie, boom! Ooh, how magic is that pen? And our blending is nicely done. Now we are going to make coconut trees in our nice lovely blending thing. Okay, let's start. So now I'm going to try to make a coconut tree. It's going to be very easy. My mama has named after these trees. So now let's remove the tape. Let's be right back.